So let me show you exactly how I made this. And I'm not going to make it exact because it takes a little while, but it's so easy. So if we go back into PicMonkey, what we're going to do is we are going to just make this a more colourful canvas. So if we use, let's say blue. Okay, now what we do here is we just apply that, and we just put some text. Let's get Arial black or something, and just put that here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're going to put that on the bottom, just like how I did in my end slate. So here we are. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Now what we can do is if we right click this, we can duplicate the text, and then it makes it on top. And then what we do with the duplicated text is we make it white. So it gives a 3D effect. So if we change, let me just change the canvas color again, because that now looks a little bit too light. There we are. We just have that. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, as you can see in the end slate in iMovie, I have actually used a Facebook like image and a subscribe image. So let me just show you how to do that. It's so simple. If we go back to Google Chrome, we're going to Google. Let's just type into here Facebook like icon, but that's not exactly brilliant. So I'm going to put Facebook icon transparent. None of these actually appear to be transparent right now. Aha, this one's transparent. So we'll view this image and then right click it, save image as. We'll put this in downloads. We'll put Facebook like. Okay. So then what you do is you delete where it says like, and you put now it's created problems for the overlays. And then what we do is we add an overlay. So if we get the overlay, that basically adds an image on top of an image. Okay, so it is basically what it is. So we've got the Facebook like PNG here. So all we do is just resize it, minimize it right down, and we just put it in between. Now let's do another couple of spaces. Okay, so we now put that down here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can, as you can see, you can do exactly the same with the YouTube icon as well. Okay, so there we are. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And so if we go back now to the iMovie, you can see here it says Popular MMO sings his intro, Dan TDM sings his intro. So if we go back to Google Chrome, now what you could do is you could just put the text here. Dan, just put Dan sings. I'll just put this as an example. It doesn't need to be brilliant. I'll just put that up here, and then we'll put another one here saying Popular MMOs sings. Put that up here in white. Go like that. Just enlarge it. We put one there and one here. So if you put Popular MMOs sings his intro, and you've got my one right here, the top one, which was released after mine, actually got 2.5 million, whereas mine, which was released a month earlier, got only 172,000, which was a little annoying. But anyway, never mind. So what we've got there is let's just take that as a screenshot, okay? So we'll just do a little screen capture right here. Capture them. And we go back to PicMonkey. We add an overlay. This butterfly icon. Add an overlay. Go to the desktop. Get the screenshot. And there we are. We've got the screenshot right there. So then we just add that underneath. If you look here on iMovie, you will see I have actually overlaid Dan TDM's video on top of it. Okay, so if we look at the image itself only has what I've done already so far. So it's got the Popular MMO sings his intro, Dan TDM sings his intro on the right, Then it's got an overlaid picture, and then the don't forget to like and subscribe. And then I just added my icon on top of that. But it's easy to do. And I like this coloured background. I just got this from Google. It doesn't need to be like this with just a plain background. You can actually get multicoloured backgrounds. Just find them anywhere. So then what I did was I then saved this image. So I'm just gonna use it as an example. I'm gonna put nslate 2. And it's the right dimensions for YouTube. So we'll save this to my computer as nslate 2. We'll go back into iMovie. We'll get this and we'll just move it over here for now. Now this shows for how long? Shows for 10.7 seconds. So let's get rid of that. Let's import the new nslate, nslate 2. And so we get that, and we put that down in here. And then we make it 10 seconds. So there we are. That's how it looked on the previous one. So we will take off the Ken Burns and put that as fit. And that nicely fits inside the box there. And then what we did was we got the Dan TDM. We'll put it back in there. And there we are. Look. It's done it for me already. But all I did was just put that as a picture-in-picture like you've seen me do already. And then you just literally drag it to where you want it to go. So it looks like that. And you've got the clip of the video. And this is the same as importing any video. You import it, but you add it on top of the picture so that it comes in as an overlay. So there you can see a really cool nslate that I made in just minutes. Just minutes. How good is that? A pro nslate, and then what I would probably do is I'd put a transparent image of my Superman thing up there so it looks nice and pro. So that's the difference between making an nslate like this and making an nslate like that. It all depends on how much time you want to spend with the nslate. And then you can see here also, between photos, I put nice transitions in here. And where you get transitions from is right here. You go to transitions and you've got them right here, and all you have to do is just drag them in between the images, and then you will see a nice cross dissolve happening right there. So simple to use. All you need to do is take the time to find the right images that fill out a video, add your cool text, which you've seen exactly how to do. It's so super simple. And that is how I made this entire video, which actually was my second most popular video that got 500,000 views inside a couple of weeks. So, I hope that you've really enjoyed this. I hope you've learned a lot, and I hope this has shown you a good way of using editing software, because this is pretty much the same whatever editing software you use. It just looks slightly different on the inside, but what you can do is very similar. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next lecture.